Hi, and very warm welcome. It's Shane from Mavstar. I just thought I'd do, being that it's been 2 weeks since the last update, another Earth Alpha at a glance, and just go through some of the things that we monitor on there. Being I had the equipment out this morning. So we're going to get on with that. Just before I do, I want to say a big thank you to those people that have chipped in over the last couple of days, a few pounds, towards the observatory and some of the work that we undertake here. And just quickly mention that there's a link down there in the description if you want to support what we do. So let's get on with it. So at a glance, Valve 25th of the 3rd 2025, starting with the atmospheric CO2 at 446 parts per million. Now, if you look down on the other one, what you'll find, and I had to double check this because I thought, how many times do you hit the same target from miles away? But we did on the CO2, and I did check the CO2 machine to see if it was working, and it is. But it seemed to have recorded the exact same levels of CO2 as what it did the last time we done it, a couple of weeks ago. So at 446 parts per million. Moving on to the atmospheric oxygen in the atmosphere, 20.38, still nothing to be concerned about there. That is exactly what you'd expect. Those are the latest magnetic pole position that was recorded on the 4th of this month. Moving on to radiation background at 00.15 microsieverts. There are 36 volcanoes in eruption currently around the world. Those are the ones that are actually erupting, not showing signs of eruption, because we'd end up with hundreds. The largest earthquake over the last 24 hours is 6.7. I've just realised I forgot to put where it was, and I haven't got the piece of paper there. I'm not sure, I'm not even going to guess, because I did manage to record the magnitude of the earthquake, but not the position of where it was taken. So I'll update that next time. Muons per hour per square metre in the UK are at 584. Over in Canada, big thank you to Kendall for sending the data again, regularly as you do, at 890 muons per square metre per hour. There are currently 6 sunspots on the sun's disk, and the geomagnetic field is quiet, and the solar X-rays are normal. And of course we have unstable jet streams. Just before I end the video, I want to go over to null score and show you the condition of our jet streams on our planet as they are right now. So we'll get over there and do that. So we're looking at the jet streams over the northern hemisphere, and as you can see that the polar jet streams and subtropical have showed no signs of changing from the last time we looked at it. In fact, it's you can see there we've got supersized jet streams in the subtropical region over the northern hemisphere of our Earth. Moving over to have a look at the Antarctic region, and as we can see, pretty much the same story there. Subtropical mixing with tropical, and I just want to see if we've got any changes with the equatorial region, because we have seen interchange with the subtropics over the northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. And have a quick look around, there is a little bit of interchange there, as you can see, around the equatorial region. We do have light jet streams interchanging over the equatorial region, which seems to be becoming more and more common now. But this was like this anomaly was unheard of, but now it seems like every day this happens. But if you look at that, just shows the story, doesn't it? No tropical and no subtropical jet stream. Sorry, no polar jet stream, no subtropical jet stream in the vicinities where they're supposed to be. And of course, this is what's driving the climate on our planet. When you get warm air colliding with the cooler air over the further northern regions of our planet, it will drop water, or in the very cooler parts of the region over the northern and southern hemisphere, that will precipitate out as snow. So that's the Earth Alpha at a glance for you guys. Mention it once more, there's a link down there in the link in the description if you want to help support what we do here. I really hope you do. And the only other thing for me to say is you have a great day, look after your loved ones, as always. Bye for now.